is a
Deming.
field of leadership. Which we commonly call supervision. I think that it should be called leadership. Leading people to help them to do a better job, being in management or on the factory floor. Supervision should be replaced by leadership. There's no secret, once again, about what leadership is. What leadership must do is to help people.
Help people. This is pretty interesting. This little interview here tells me that Taiichi Ohno was a lot like Bob. Listen to what he says.
Find that the supervisor is not really looking at his affairs, grab the neck, bring him over to his place.
He worked with
and,
Ohno.
Do a circle with the choke,
Yeah.
and then you stay in there and have a good rest till I come back.
Yeah.
Yeah. So everybody got scared and trembled.
Yeah.
But
Bob.
and he was true. He was very tough on the managers, but not on the operators.
Remember I said I love the operator, right? Same thing. The point here, I like to use this because people talk about respect for people. I really think, this is my opinion now, so don't write and take notes. I think what that means is that it's a respect for process and the people that work it. And it's tyranny on the people that don't support it. I'm not suggesting you operate that way. But if you heard what he said, I mean, if you watch this whole interview, they were frightened to death of Ohno walking in the plant. The managers, the people that work the process, he loved them. Bob would go up to people, he had a microphone, and we had to walk around, there's a whole slew of people, and he'd give it to the team leader, he's laughing, he's hugging them, shaking their hand, he just loves them. Salt of the earth, beautiful. And he'd turn around and look at us if we didn't get them what they needed. Oh, it was ugly. Sounds a little bit like Ohno to me. But I may be wrong, that's my opinion. So Hertzberg's theory of motivation, don't memorize it, but it talks about hygiene factors. These are the dissatisfiers if they're not present. Quality of supervision, pay, company policy, working conditions, relations with others, job security. These are the satisfiers. These are things to consider about human behavior if you want a really happy workforce. Because if you're granting authority to the process to solve problems, you probably want a high morale, SQDCM. You want them inspired.